Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kashasim and welcome to Tuts for Everything. In today's tutorial, we will talk about that how to take input from the user in Python. So, if we want to take input from the user, we need to store that input, that particular input, into a container or a variable. So then later we can use that variable to display or manipulate many operations on it. So if we want to take input from the user, we will be using a built-in function called input, and this function here is responsible for taking input from the user. And let's just say that I'm going to create a variable in which I will store the input. My variable's name is going to be, let's just say, variable var stands for variable one, and it is equal to I'm calling the function input function, and then in parentheses I'm going to ask the user to enter his name. Your name. Now I'm going to create another variable in which I will store the input from the user. This kind of input, I think so I should ask the user about his age. Yeah, I'm going to create a variable 2, and I will now put parentheses. Now I will write on the screen that I will ask the user to enter age, and for the third variable I will store, say that I have a variable 3, and in which I'll take input from the user, and that input will be about his CGPA. So I'm going to write enter your CGPA. Now in these three lines I have taken input from the user and have stored it in those variables. Now if I want to display those variables or data which I have taken from the user, I will be using the print statement, print parentheses, and then let me say that I will display your name is, and I will nextly I will display variable with name of the user, comma var, and then I will display comma and another string in which I will say that your capital Y. And then I will display the variable in user variable 2, and I will add another string, in which I will write on the screen that the CGPA or your CGPA is, and then I will print the variable 3 which contains C of the user. Now at this time, when I run this code, it will simply ask that enter your name. So okay, my name is Kashan Asim. Sorry, what the heck? Wait a sec. Let me just rerun the program. Okay, my name is Kashan Asim. My current age is 19, and CGPA is 3.7. Now, As you can see that the compiler has run the code and taken from it and displayed the data which I have entered earlier, that my name is, or your name is Kashan Asim, your age is 19, your CGPA is 3.7. Now you guys must be wondering that all the data which I have entered on the keyboard has displayed in a single line. And if you want to display your data in the new line, so what you're going to do is that you will include backslash, which is responsible for creating a new line. And then if you run it, you'll see that all the other lines that your ages, your CGPAs will be mentioned in the new line. Okay. This time I will try a new name, Sunair Akram, age 20, CGPA, let's just say that his CGPA is 2.66. Now, as you can see that it has printed out all the data in new lines. And I have done it using a single print statement. Now, if you don't want to use a single print statement, then you can do just add another print statement. You can just another print statement. I'm going to put here and remove this. Now, I will rerun the code. Okay. Now just say the name of the user is ABC. His age is say 25, and his CGPA is, let's just say, 4.0. Ideal case, Now it is showing me data in the next line because I have used backslash n, and because I have also used the print statement in the, and you can see it has displayed all the data in the new line. Now the next thing we'll be discussing in the uh, next tomorrow's video will be about how to use if else statements, and we will discuss about the concepts of loop. And I guess that will be enough for today's video. So, and I hope so that you guys liked it. And if you have curious related to this topic, just ask me in the comments, and I will try to respond to you, answer you within, I guess, 2 hours max. And tell me about if I am missing something. Is there any problem with my method? You can just tell me in the comments, and please like, share this video, and subscribe our channel. It will be very thankful of you guys. And just, well, वैसे मैं सिंपल आम अल्फाज में रखूँ तो ये सारी वीडियो जो है आपके रिस्पॉन्स पे डिपेंड करती है। आप अपना रिस्पॉन्स दें कि ये वीडियो कैसी है, आपको कैसी, आप क्या चाहेंगे इस वीडियो में मैं और क्या ऐड करूं, और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर अभी तो कह नहीं सकता, लेकिन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। और अगर आपकी कोई क्यूरीज वगैरह हों तो उन्हें कमेंट्स में मेंशन करें। और मैं आपको सबको ये बता दूं कि आज से मैं अपनी तमाम वीडियोस को इंग्लिश में बनाया करूँगा। इस लास्ट 2 मिनट में मैंने ज़रा उर्दू बोली है, ताकि जिन भाइयों को मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रहा था वो सुन लें मेरी बात। मैं इस वजह ये है कि इस समय मेरा बोलने का एक्सेंट काफ़ी बेटर हुआ, मेरी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी बोलेंगे। और दूसरे जो लोग हैं जो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं वो इसे समझ सकते हैं।